Welcome to making a bubbler fountain. 10-minute timer started. Um, I've done something like this before, but I was doing something. I thought I'd share this with you. I want to create a bubbler that looks like this. And how did I do that? I actually made it out of two pieces from the library, this and this, and I resized it to fit this. Uh, to make it look like that. Now the problem with this is when I use this piece here, I had all this base here that I didn't want. And I wanted to really kind of get rid of that base. So how did I do that? Well, here it is right here. Here's that piece right there. And so I want to recreate that, but I want to get rid of this base. I just want to keep the water. See, I don't like this water coming out here and this whatever. I just want the bubbler part. So what I did is I opened the symbol up, and you'll notice that this distance that I want to get rid of is 1 foot 3 inches. So I open the symbol up, and I go to sizing, and I create a plane here, a stretch zone of, I guess, 12 inches. So from 0 to 12, it's going to change. I'm going to change that size. I'm not using a stretch plane. I'm using a stretch zone. The stretch zone is between heights 1 and 2, and so I've defined those two heights as 0 and 12. So if I come back to here, 0 is at the bottom of this, and 12 is just 1 inch below this. So let's change the size. See how I've kind of gotten rid of all that stuff now, or I've got rid of a lot of it. I think, yeah, pretty close. So now I copy this thing, and I got rid of most of it as far as I'm concerned. I copy this thing, copy. I create a new plan, Control V, paste that in the plan, do an H view, and there it is. Now I'm going to create a symbol out of my new piece, and I don't care about this stuff. That stuff can almost go away, or I've almost got rid of it. So tools, symbol, convert to symbol. It's a fixture interior. Okay. Oh, come on. Height. What do you mean? What you talking about, brother? Did I do it? And here's my plan. Control V. No. Tools. Get last symbol. Get last symbol. Put it right there. Let's see, did I get it? Yeah, there it is. There it is. See how much smaller it is? You'll note that if I hadn't have changed this, this would have changed proportionally. I would have gotten rid of it. So anyway, the point was I was just getting rid of it. And this is the fountain I want to put it in, but I want this fountain, this urn, it's a vase or whatever it is. I want it to be 24 by 24 inch diameter. I want to make it a little bit bigger. And now I want to take this thing and I want to make, so how big is this spout right here? This opening right there is about 9 inches. So I want this thing to be 9 by 9. Perfect. And I don't know if I want it that high. I want it to sit right about there, I guess. Do I want it higher? I don't know. I come back to plan view and put it right there in the center. Boop. So now, yeah, maybe I want that thing to be a little bit bigger than that, huh? Let's make it a little bit bigger. Control E. Let's make it 12 by 12. And center it back into that puppy there. And maybe I want it to stick up, maybe I want it to be right about there. I don't know, whatever. Yeah, maybe I want it to be there. I don't know. I want it somewhere, I guess. Yeah, you can see what's happening over here. Maybe I want it a little bit taller. Maybe I wanted a tall bubble. Check that out, huh? That ain't too bad. So select, Control C, Shift, Control New. Put it right there in that plan. Do an H view of it. And now I'm going to make that a new symbol. Tools. Symbol. Convert to symbol. Okay, fine. Fine. Easily. All right. And let's just create a new plan. Control New. One more new plan. And get last symbol, tools, symbol, get last symbol, stick it right there, H, and there's my bubbler. Ain't bad, I don't think. And then, of course, you can change it and stuff. And now you can, and now, I don't know, and now you can go back and see that, see, it's all changing proportionally, of course. We all know that. But if we don't want it to change proportionally, you just want the bubbler, we want the vase to be that tall, but we want the fountain to be taller. Oh, well, you know what I'm doing. You open this up and you open symbol, sizing, make it a stretch zone, make it a, well, how tall is it? 51 inches. I want a stretch zone between I don't know, 24 and 51. It's a stretch zone. Okay. Now I think the vase is going to stay the same size, but the water is going to get a lot bigger. Well, I got the stretch zone probably in the wrong spot because the vase is getting a little bit bigger. But for the most part, the water itself is getting bigger. So what you do is you just make this a symbol, copy this, make it a new symbol. And then you can redefine those stretch zones. Anyway, this was making a bubbler, fountain bubbler with two different symbols and manipulating stretch zones in one of the symbols to get rid of parts of it and you know what. Anyway, I thought that was kind of cool.